1, 2, 3, go.
Okay na?
Oh, na-start ko na nga eh.
Good morning everyone. This is the presentation of Group 1. What?
Indeed. So, as we explore the world of statistics and probability, we will encounter something like computing the sample size using the length of interval. So, that will be the focus of the day's lesson. So, listen very closely, okay?
Oo! Mismo! Sobra! Sir! Hardcore sir! Sir, may nagre-relax! Di ba naman finish yun?
Wala pa. Anyway, ikaw cameraman, okay ka na?
Let us start with the sample size. So, why do we need to know sample size?
That is important, ma'am.
Di mo sure.
What do you mean, ma'am?
Lahat na lang kasi binibigyan ng meaning.
Assuming ka lang.
Miss ko na siya. Kanina ka ba?
Oh.
Okay, enough. Indeed, it's important to know your sampling size to make an accurate and valid estimation. It depends on the maximum error of estimate, the population standard deviation, and the degree of confidence, or what we call confidence coefficient.
To find the sample size, we're going to use this formula. C-score divided by sample space over margin of error squared.
Let's have example number 1. Let's say you want to estimate the mean height of students in a school with a 95% confidence level and a margin of error of 2 inches with a population standard deviation of 4 inches. To compute the appropriate sample size using the length of the interval, you'd use the formula.
So, this is the table of confidence level.
Z equals Z score corresponding to the desired confidence level. This sign population standard deviation. And E equals margin of error.
Do ba 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 do.
So by using this formula, n is equal to z times the standard deviation over the marginal error squared, we have, by plugging in the values, we have n is equal to 1.96 times 4 over 2 squared. Then by simplifying the multiplication above the fraction, we have 7.82 over 2 squared. Then by simplifying 7.84 over 2, we have 3.92 squared. Then by squaring this value, we have 15.3664. Or by all means, we have n is equal to 15. So, the sample size of the confidence level 95% is 50.
Ganun lang pala!
Chicken?
Nuggets!
So, any more questions?
Sir! Single ka po ba? Sir, pag pinaligtad mo yung ilog, river ba?
Sir, 1-4?
Crosswise, sir! Sir, ano pong masasabi niyo sa Clayton rate ng bansa?
Yay! Nagsama naman ba kayo maraming sex, sir?
Any more serious questions?
Sir, bakit mahalagang pag-aaralan ito?
So, great question, Andre. So, yun nga. So, computing the appropriate sample size using the length of interval will ensure the reliability and the accuracy of the results. So, it allows the researchers to determine the number of observations needed to estimate a parameter within a desired margin of error, increasing the confidence level of the findings.
Now for your assignment, let's have these 3 situations.
Macro!
Oo, crosswise!
Crosswise, sir! Sir, ano pong masasabi niyo sa Clayton rate ng bansa?
So, any more questions?
Sir, single ka po ba?
Ba do ba do.
Sir, pag pinaligtad mo yung river,
Z equals Z score. Score equals.
Ba do.
sample space.
Tingin ka dito. Tingin ka dito sa camera.
Wala naman.
Yung bilang mo!
Ayan ba? Movie video mo. Wala akong tanga. Movie answer, 15.3664. Lang 15 lang ito.